Hey Overland Travel Adventures, I'm out here at the BMW 49er. It is the end of May, Memorial Day 2021.
And in the GS Giants course, I got third place.
Just because your riding is so good, they want to know.
All right, Brian.
All right. Good, Brian. All right, down the hill. Woo! Ah, some beautiful control up over the hill around the corner. It's the first challenge, is getting out the gate. Yeah, I'm just going to point out I wear more safety gear than this guy, so I'm assuming he has more confidence than I do. Like all my corners have pads on when I ride. Up the hill he comes. Money shot, somebody get a picture? I'm waiting for somebody to just like easier right there. Okay, line it up. Everybody knows this is part of the beautiful. He's not going to go up the hill. He's going to figure out what he wants to do. Big breath. This guy wants to do it. Well, no, they're going to take care of less what camber that hill is. I'll tell you what. Going back down, he's going to line it up. He's going to take it right. He's going to prove you can do it all the way. Up the hill, down the hill off camber, line it up, narrow bridge.
Yeah!
Up the stairs. Okay, bonus points, right? You make it all up by getting bonus points. And out to the outside of the circle. Take it around. Oh, look at that, using the whole car. Oh, man. I don't know. Of course, that pole was crooked. I think it distracted the rider. Bonus points, so it's not a bonus negative, it's a bonus positive. So he's still got one more bonus section on the seesaw. And between now and then, he's got the rest of the track. See how it goes. Around the bridge doesn't matter, he's just on his way out. Okay, he's lined up for the bridge. He's gonna make it happen. He's determined. Do over for the guy. He did have a crooked pull. Mia called it as a foul. He's got to wait for the safety people to finish counting things in, so it's an appropriate place to stop. Thank you for not running over our course workers. Up over the bridge, to the outside. Use the whole circumference of that circle. Riding that ribbon is amazing without touching any of those poles. It's unbelievable. Down the corner, up over the boardwalk. Head down to the barrels. We'll have a barrel. We'll have a barrel of fun. Oh, very clean. Back up the hill. Through the lower section of barrels. And up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, right hill. These are not flat barrels, you guys. You can see how much altitude they're gaining on that bike to get around those barrels. Nice little corner, and he heads out. Yeah, he's ready to burn some rubber. There he goes. And down around the corner. And then this is his chance to cool off his clutch in the trees, cool off his brain in the trees,
Wow.
cool off his knees in the trees.
Brian just did amazing.
He's going to line up for this big uphill section. There is a bonus point section. Let's see if he takes the bonus point section. We all know that it's a tricky little entrance to the bonus point. It's frankly a tricky little entrance for everybody. Around the barrel, he comes down around the bottom of the tree. The big section up the hill. Get that engine, 1200 volts, pulling behind him. Up the hill he goes. Down the corner, big stop birds coming. Really shows amazing bike control when these guys take it through the big spot. You guys or whoever up over the bridge, comes down, lines it up on the sticks, get through those sticks, and the sticks are on that bridge, especially if anything was not quite right on the bridge. And lines it up,
Go, Brian! Come on!
Everybody, a round of applause. Very beautiful ride. Very beautiful job.
Wow.
And the cool thing is I got to run them all more than once. The English trials, Dennis dared me to do it one-handed, and I knew I wouldn't be able to, so I owe him a beer right now. The asphalt trials, you get 3 chances at it, and I cleaned all 3 of mine, so that was nice. I was the only person to clean them all. And then the GS Giants course, after I did my performance one, I was allowed to run it again for fun, and so I could kind of play around a little bit more. So.
Yeah, you did amazing. It was so much fun to watch. And is it hot out here?
It is really hot. I have gotten my shirt soaking wet in a sink twice today.
And now it's completely dry again.
And it's completely dry, of course. Bone dry.
Yeah, it has been very hot out here.
I don't
probably
think
close to 100 degrees. It felt like 105.
I wore the gear for my second 2 asphalt trials ones because I was going for a little bit faster because they had the time component. So.
Well, you did amazing. It was impressive.
It was.
I had no idea you could do it this good. Congratulations. Awesome job.
Thanks a lot.